Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller and I'm here with Amir Wain from i2c. And we're at Money 2020-2016 in Las Vegas. Thanks very much for joining me.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
What are the primary challenges facing financial institutions and their payments roadmaps today?
I think the challenge is fairly similar, not just for financial institutions, but enterprises in general. And that is the compression of timeline. Things are happening at a much quicker pace, and organizations have to recalibrate and find new tools that can help them operate at the pace which is needed in today's market. So, think about running on a racetrack and being in an old clunky car. It's just not designed for the racetrack. And that's what financial institutions are finding themselves in, having infrastructure and tools that weren't designed for today's agile economy.
Everyone talks about payments innovation, so what does it mean for financial institutions?
Innovation isn't something that you just sort of bolt on, or you just sort of go and do a project or do an acquisition and you've solved the innovation challenge. Innovation is an ongoing thing. You've got to build it into your organizational competencies. And what it really means is being able to respond to an uncertain future in a way that's going to resonate and create differentiation and value for your customer. And that can come in many forms, shapes, and can be technology driven, could be user experience driven, could be driven by many different things. But it's about how do you create value for your customers in a new way.
And how do you think financial institutions can grow revenue in today's market?
Many people get focused on cost cutting, and cost cutting has a limited upside. You can only cut so much. There is a much larger opportunity available to financial institutions to work on the top line and think about how can they get a higher share of the wallet, or how can they be in the lives of their consumers a little bit more. And that starts with not thinking about your interaction with your customer, but the pre and post interaction also. So extending those user journeys and interactions at the edges in both directions, and thinking how can you add additional value-added services and products, which makes the whole experience more seamless, as well as give you the opportunity to monetize that relationship a lot more.
That's great, thank you very much.
Thank you, Emily, been a pleasure.
And thank you for watching.